Hi everyone, welcome back to another video of Honey Web Designer. In this video, we will learn about JavaScript Arrow function. Arrow functions were introduced in ES6. It allows us to write shorter function syntax. Let's see the practical example. In the script tag, we can write a JavaScript code. Here, first I create a normal function. In this function I write return keyword and return hello world statement. Next, I use console.log method, and in this method I call our main function. Next, open your browser, then inspect page and select console. In console you can see our function return hello world properly. So, next I use another method to write a normal function. So here, first I write let keyword, then function name, and after that we write function keyword. And you can see again I get same result, so now I create an arrow function. For doing this, first we can remove function keyword. And next to parentheses, we write arrow keyword. So, now our function become an arrow function. And here, you can see I get a result properly in console. If the function has only one statement, and the statement returns a value, you can remove the brackets and the return keyword. So, you can see our function become a shorter. In console again you can see I get a result properly. So here, I change the statement text. And you can see I get honey licer in console. Now, I pass a parameter in arrow function. Here, I write a last name. I remove licer here, and concatenate last name here. Next, I pass value here. So you can see I get a result properly. So, here you can see I have only one parameter, so we don't need to write a parenthesis here. You can see it again work properly. Next, I create another arrow function, and in this I have two parameter, and I sum this parameter and return a result. Here you can see I get result of 2 integer value. And, you can see with arrow function our code will be shorter. If you have a multiple statement in arrow function, then you can use a brackets. If this video is helpful for you, subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share it with friends. Thank you for watching.